Hey there, folks, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Photoshop and sharing some valuable tips and tricks that will help you speed up your design process. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these techniques will surely come in handy. So, let's get started. Take a white background. Add a gradient. Add the logo. Add important texts. Add some shapes to make it look professional. And the first project is done. Now we are going to make stickers. It is important to advertise. First of all, add color. Then place the logo. Then you can add a weird shapes that looks like shit. Add a Homo sapiens species. Add important text and address. Add some extra pictures for no reason. Then rearrange it on a large page and take a print out. And your shit is ready to send to the customer. So, let's craft an awesome meal menu. Add yummy food names and add the price so it's a breeze to order. Add some toasty images of each dish to entice you. Show off the shop's logo with a smile. Sprinkle in some eye-catching bits to make it pop. And voila! It's done.